So we've just arrived at Fluid Caravans to pick up our brand new Flagship 2026 781 Pilote. We've already had a little nose through and all of the plastic are on the seats, which is good because we wreck everything. Should we go in or shall we go and say hi?
Hello.
I'm so excited. Been waiting since February for this.
Wow.
It's like actually looking pretty beautiful. Double floor that Paul's been banging on about.
Yep.
You pleased with it?
It's amazing, isn't it?
It looks really lovely. Here, look, we can put the air fryer in there.
240.
Yeah.
Be careful with them if you're going to use them.
What, the air fryer?
Yep.
Why?
Well, especially, obviously not a Bailey.
Yep.
So we've never used these before.
No.
So we might need some help on how to use them because they're going to be empty now, aren't they?
So we can...
Yes.
They're empty.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my God, what happened?
Lights.
Oh wow, that's clever.
That's your water pump.
So do we have to switch that on each time we want to use the water?
So you can leave it on.
Can we leave it on?
Yeah, it'll get to pressure. It clicked off now.
I see.
So that's all right now. And that's auxiliaries. That will be like, there's a 12-volt socket in there for TVs and your USBs and stuff like that.
So that's just for them or for the whole these sockets
they're
as well?
240.
Oh, I see. So auxiliary is the little ones.
The little 12-volt basically.
That's your inverter. Thank you. That's fine.
It's a really good space, that, isn't it? Should we stash all our illegal cheese that we're taking?
You want to do the seats?
No, we don't actually.
I'll do this one just to show you.
We are going to be. It's a bit. That's the only downside to this van is that we have to do that.
Put it back down.
Twist it. We'll leave it up for now then.
Shall we? And then how did the seats work? Because when we were at the show, we tried to do it, didn't we, without the guy? No, these ones. Do you remember we couldn't work out how the cushions went on?
Where's the bottom cushion for that?
Yeah,
seat?
that's what we got confused about, didn't we?
There will be a little bit of
No.
playing about. That's something we don't really do.
Right.
If you want to set it, it might be this one instead.
Unless that looks more like it, doesn't it, than that one? Right, so the middle one of the sofa. Does it go on that side? No, that's not right, is it?
That might be your back. Come on back. No. While we're underneath there, that's your
Diesel Vegeta, yeah.
There's nothing underneath there.
No. Why would you do
I was
that?
checking the floor.
Why would you do that? You're just so annoying.
Alright, that's what I wanted to see. That's
So
in there.
annoying, Paul. How do you feel? I feel like a king.
I feel excited.
It's good, isn't it? Look at all this space.
No.
What are we going to clutter this up with?
Oh, I'm sure we'll find some stuff.
Me too. Wow, Hunter's going to enjoy peeling all these off, isn't he? How come the light's hanging down then? Right, the boss man's coming to show us how to make this into a proper chair now.
That works up if you want for a wardrobe.
I think we might get some sort of drawers or shelves or something. That's it, plastic things. Because weirdly, you'd think that they'd put cupboards all the way around, wouldn't you? But they haven't. Oh, my bad. Right. Okay.
Not a lot of room.
Wow. My dad would be going bonkers about that.
What, in a good way or in a bad way?
What? You can't
Get
You can't get into anything.
Screen washers here.
Oh my goodness me. This is like aircon. Wow, that's a really good aircon. Wow.
You don't need a table. And then you're there.
I need a table.
So that and that will go somewhere.
That's where my foot's going to be going. There's going to be a dent there with my foot.
Don't be denting it. And then you sit there, Hunter. You have to move that and that somewhere. Go and put them on the bed.
I need a table though.
Put them on the bed and then see what happens. Be very careful. What do you guys want to do now then? Do you want to sit in there and chill?
I think so.
Don't open anything, don't wreck anything.
I need to get all my devices.
Don't worry.
Bring everything in. The table's just here, babes. Lift that up.
But I need it in front of me.
You don't have a table in front of you here.
Well, how am I
It's
going
not-
to use a laptop?
You're not going to use my
I said I
laptop.
could.
Well, you can't because there's no table.
It's alright.
So we have just left Fluid Caravans in Wrexham. In Wrexham.
North Wales.
And we are not yet going to Europe. We are now going to get some essential upgrades on our van. And there is only one place in the UK that we felt comfortable with our brand new van to do our upgrades on. So we are going to go straight there now, and we are going to get a chassis mounted bike rack specific for electric bikes, and we are also going to have some self-leveling legs.
Right.
So yes, we're so excited.
No more plastic ramps.
No more plastic ramps. You guys happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy, Hunter?
Yes.
Woo! To Yorkshire now. Woo-hoo! Look, there's electric.
Oh wow, perfect.
Oh, this is the best pitch ever. Wow.
We made
Guys,
it.
we're at our next pitch.
Our first pitch. Our new motorhome.